This particular short video here has gotten 1,000 views since when uploaded. This one here. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us how much YouTube actually paid me for this short video. Yeah, I know a lot of you has been asking me, especially on my live stream, oh Princess Chamaka, how much does YouTube pay you for a short form video in the year 2025? Of course, you know what you actually earned last year might not be the same thing this year. So I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube actually paid me. Believe me when I say it's mind blowing because I don't even expect the pay. Like, oh my god, I can just wait to share it with you. So at the end of the day, you all are going to be the judge. So you have to watch through from the beginning of this video till the end because a lot contributes to how much you earn here on YouTube. And if you don't pay attention, you might miss a whole lot. Don't be too fast to skip some parts. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this particular video, comment on it, share your thoughts with me. Is it really worth it or not? And lastly, do not forget to share this video. So without much being said, we're going to be going through a screen record right now, which I'm going to be pasting here on the screen, and we are going to be doing this together. I'm going to be showing you every single thing, like in details, the way it is. So this is the video here, and this is the video performance. This video has actually gotten 1.1k views, but don't worry, I'm still going to be showing you how much I actually made for just 1,000 views and the 1.1. We are going to see every single thing. So we are going to be going into the analytics. That is why I said you have to pay attention to every single thing that I'm going to be talking about. So this is the overview. This short has gotten 1.1k views ever since I posted it. And as you can see, this is the audience retention. Not all that bad. At least people watched till at least 39 seconds, which is quite amazing. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. That is the most important thing. So for real time, this is the information about the real time. So we're going to be going straight to the reach. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to be giving you guys fast the way it is. So this short has been shown on feed 1.3k. Wow, that's nice. So these are how many people that chose to view and how many people that swiped away. I love you guys. Most of you watched it. Oh, it's 9%, almost 90%. Wow. And for those of you that skipped away, are we fighting? Are we quarreling? So this is how viewers found this short video. Browse features, short feeds, and the rest of them. I don't want to waste your time, like as I said. And these are the YouTube search terms: Princess Chiamaka Tutor Zone. For those of you that have been searching for me here back to back on YouTube, I love you all so much. So these are the content suggesting the video. They're mainly my video, except from these two that are not my videos. So that is that for the reach. Now let's go straight to the engagement. So this is how people have actually engaged with the video. The watch time I got from this short is 12.8. I don't even know if this is watch hours or just watch time. I think it's watch time. So this is the audience retention. This is the likes and dislikes. I don't even know what this likes and dislikes is all about. So let's go to the audience itself. For returning viewers, this is what I got: 987 out of 1.1k views. I got real viewers. Like, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. And how many of you have noticed this recent feature that YouTube just dropped on our YouTube studio? I don't even know what this thing is for, honestly, because I've been thinking, what is this thing for? This device type. That is okay. 94% of my viewers watched it from their mobile phone, and 4.3% was from computer, tablet, and the TV. If you know the reason for this device type, drop it in the comment section, okay? So for the audience that watched this video, that is for the age is 18 to 24 actually watched it more, down to 35 to 44. So I think young people actually resonated well with this video, and that is also nice. So for the gender, male 41% and female 58%. Wow, the male are watching my video more now, unlike before that I used to see male as 15%. I'll be like, is it only female that are following me? All the same, I love you all. I love you both. Mwah. And user specified 0%. Of course, it should be 0%. So my top geographies. Now, this top geography is matters a lot. Like, had it been I had most of my viewers from the United States, I think this revenue should be higher. But anyways, we're going there. Just calm down. So Nigeria, I have 54.9%. My people, my country people, always getting our back. Then for United States, I have 4.6. My beautiful, amazing people all the way from United States. I love you all for even watching my videos. Like, do you guys even understand my English? For United Kingdom, beautiful, amazing people, I have 3.1%. That's cute. So for top subtitles and languages, this that is for people that actually put it on subtitle, 95% English, 3.3%. So watch time from subscribers. This is where we're going to have issue. Subscribe 64.6%. Oh my jeez. Like, I was even thinking that it's going to be like before. You know, when I did how much YouTube paid me the last time, I showed you guys that not subscribed was 85% and subscribed was 20%. I literally cried my eyes out. But for this one, this is amazing. Thank you guys. You all came through for me this time, and I'm so happy. So I think I've wasted too much time. Now let's go to the main deal of the day. Somebody say main deal of the day, the revenue. No, I'm kidding. Let's go and see what we have there. The Odogu money. Okay, these are the extra subscribers I got from the video. 8 subscribers. So let's go to the revenue. And here comes the beautiful revenue. 0.07 cents. Ta-da! Oh my god. This is how much YouTube paid me for sure. Like, I'm so surprised. I am so should I use the word happy? I am so surprised. So this is how much I've made. Mind you, this is 1.1 k. So now let me show you how much per 1,000 views. So this is how the video performed. The revenue for every 1k view, which is my RPM, is 0.6 cents. 0.06 cents. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to earn per every 1,000 views. So the reason why it's 0.07 is because of its 1.1k views. So basically this is what YouTube is paying me for 1,000 views on a short for 2025 February. 0.06 cent. Don't play. How did you see it? I hope, yeah, it's amazing, right? It's amazing. So if you're posting shorts, this is what you're going to get. Okay, let's assume your top geography is from the United States, and people actually watched it much more longer. Maybe you're going to expect higher, but don't think too much. It shouldn't be all that higher than this. But if you are outside the country, like people in the US, they actually earn maybe up to $1. I don't know, maybe something like that. So this is it. This is it. And let's talk. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? To me, I think it's worth it. Sure, it's worth it, but I would be lying if I say initially I expected this pay. God knows I would be lying. Like, I've been dreaming to get 1,000 views on my short so that I can finally make a video with full confidence that this is how much short paid me. But funny enough, let me show you guys how much I've earned in total for my short form videos. How much I've earned so far, like since December that I got monetized. How much I've earned so far. I've actually earned $1.10, which is amazing. So no short form video is waste. So you need to start posting shorts also. Yeah, because you know what $1 is. Let's assume that you need your $100 threshold for you to cash out your money every month, and you have $99. Do you know that you will not cash out that money? So at least short can also push you up. Yeah. So if you're posting shorts, I'm not here to discourage you. Keep on posting it, but bear it in mind that this is what you're going to earn. Okay. So I don't know whether I should show you guys how much I earn for 1,000 views, or I'm gonna be making a video on that separately. If I say I'm not shocked with this pay, I'm lying. I'm lying. Like, oh my god, this is how much short paid me. 0.07 cents. Oh my jeez, I'm so happy. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, my subscribers. I love you all so much. Thank you, short. Yeah. So drop your thoughts, drop your say in the comment section. I'm coming down there right now. Let us gist. Let us know if it is worth it or not. You know, for long form video, you could actually earn higher. Some long form video, I know this January the pay has been it has been so low. Advertisers has been really paying low. But at least for long form video, I think the least I've gotten so far from my long form video is $2 for 1,000 views. Because of this January, I know a lot of you contribute to it, the view duration and the rest of them. But at least. So we're gonna be ending the video here. Go down to the comment section. Let us chat. So bye guys. See you. Wait, if you've not liked this video, go ahead and like it now. Subscribe, comment, and see you all in my next video. Bye.